Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to check if your Windows system is activated using the command prompt known as CMD. On your computer, press Windows key and type CMD. Run as administrator and then you will type this. Press enter. As you can see, my Windows is activated. Thanks for watching this video.